Hi everyone! Welcome back to Pagkaing Pinoy TV. This is another episode of my culinary journey. This is my 4th episode. If you haven't watched my other episode, just keep on scrolling down and try to watch it. So today I'm going to talk to you about what I've learned in my class. We've learned how to make fish stock, fish veloutè or poached whiting with parsley sauce, gazpacho, and prawn bisque. So I'll show you some videos on how we did it in class.
First, we clean and wash the fish bones in cold water and vinegar. Then we remove the bloodline, the gut, and the gills. Next, we sweat the onion, celery, and butter. Then after that, we added the fish bones and we covered it in water. We also added the bouquet garni, which includes white peppercorn, parsley stalks, bay leaves, and thyme. We bring it to boil, then we simmer it for 20 minutes. Next, we made gazpacho. So basically, we just combine tomato, cucumber, red onion, capsicum, cumin, sherry vinegar, olive oil, salt and pepper, Tabasco and tomato paste, and put it in a blender. For the garnish, we made some croutons. In a pan over medium heat, we melted the butter and add the sliced bread. Gazpacho is a Spanish cold soup which is made of raw blended vegetables. It's also a vegan recipe, so you can try it, and it's a perfect summer soup. Here we're making the prawn bisque. So we sauteed the carrots, celery, and onion. Then we also added the roast prawn heads. We've added some flour to make a blonde roux and tomato paste. Next, we're going to add the brandy. Now it's time to add the white wine. After the demo, here's what I did. I've also added the fish stock and the bouquet garni. We simmer it for 30 minutes, drain it, then transfer it in a warm soup bowl and garnish with fresh chopped parsley. Next, we prepare the whiting fillet. So we clean the fish and we try to remove the fish bone using a tweezers, but if you can't, you can just make a small incision to remove the fish bone. Once this is done, we're going to poach the fish fillet in the fish stock that we made earlier until the protein has nearly set. After that, we made a blonde roux using butter and flour to make a veloutè. Then we added the fish stock. Sorry guys, I wasn't able to take a video for my fish veloutè, but here's a picture of my fish veloutè or poached whiting fillet with parsley sauce.
Okay, so that's all I want to share to you today. I hope you like this video. Click on subscribe and tap the bell icon so you can receive notification when I release new video. And if you have any comments, question, or you want me to do shout out for you, just comment it below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next episode. Bye!